Hey Tubies, Scott here. We got a new video coming your way, so roll that beautiful bee footage. Hey Tubies. Hey guys, we got a new video of you guys with us catching a swarm. This is our part 2, or the continuation of us actually seeing and catching the swarm and installing it into a empty hive. So we hope you guys enjoy, and that's about it for that. Hey boys and girls, this is just a new video we got. This is of our swarm. It was towards the end of February, which is pretty early. You can see it's a pretty good sized swarm. So luckily it was low enough where we could get it pretty easy. All I had to do was shake it off the limb. So now we're just going to take it and shake it down in front of the hive. As you can see, the bees are flying a little bit, but a lot of the experts say if you shake the bees down in front of the hive and let them go in there and choose the hive, they're less apt to swarm. So as you can see, we've shaken them down in front of the hive there. And if you watch them, you'll see some of them fanning. But little by little, you can just see them doing that march. You can just watch them all running in the hive. So you can see it pretty clearly. They're just marching themselves right up in there. So as I said, this is the first swarm of the year, hopefully the last, but we know how that works. But as you can see, you just watch them and they'll just, all of them will march right up in the hive. They're shaking the rest of the bees out. There were still a few in the basket, as you can see, quite a few actually. Alright, so there. Got them all out on the ground, on the ramp. And you see them. They're just all of them marching right in. And this isn't the second or first time we've done this, so I know it works. So for all of those who are curious about that, yeah, you just, if you can catch your swarm, you just make yourself a ramp onto an empty hive, and you just shake the bees down in front of it, and they'll all go inside like good little bees. You can see there's a lot of them have already marched in there. I don't know, it probably took what, an hour? Just let them do their thing. Technically, you don't have to wear a bee suit when you do this, but when you get stung, it doesn't matter whether you're technical or not. So it's always better to be safe than sorry. See, there they go.
They're doing the march.
Some of them will be fanning that smell, and that tells all the other bees, hey guys, over here. You just see them, all of them just marching in there. So that's the best way we found to, that's the best way we found to do it. You can shake them all in the hive and
see, they're not
probably
really
accomplish the same thing
about us.
We did this last year and it worked so good, I said, hey, why not try it again? Yes. They're more
They're
concerned
doing that
about
march, baby.
finding a home. Wow, that's just amazing. Just all running right up in there in the hive. Amazing to watch them. Yeah, you hear a few of them every once in a while buzzing the camera. They're going to check you out.
Remember what they said, if they pick their house.
But you can just see them all marching in. And it really seems to work. So anybody that's curious, or any new beekeepers, there you go. There's the proof. Just shake them down in front of the hive and let them do the rest. Amazing little creatures.
Too funny. Where'd all the bees go, baby? Huh?
You see there's still a bunch of them there, but a bunch of them have already went inside. And it takes a while. They're not just going to all go in there right away. Some of them are standing out front, fanning to get that smell of the queen out there so everybody knows this is home. We let them do their thing, and then after a while we probably come back about an hour later and they were pretty much all inside. Then we waited till nighttime to till everybody got in before we actually moved them up, up high where the rest of the bees are.
Huh? We want to see them marching in. It's not very big now, is it? You should have wore your suit.
Yeah, my wife didn't
there's our
wear
new
a suit this time, so she's back in the back. She's watching from afar. Yeah, that's $100 and some worth of free bees. And that'll help to replace one of the hives we lost last year. So, there's good and bad to swarms. It means you're going to have 2 weak hives, but that's an extra hive we didn't have. So it all works out in the end. They won't be as strong this year and probably won't produce any honey. but they might. We'll have to see how they work out. We were really shocked that we had a swarm this early. Never even seen or heard of having swarms in February, but the weather's been kind of warm, so it's just one of those things. Make the best of a bad situation. You can see, compared to the beginning, there's not a lot left there. The majority of them are either inside or around the entrance. Anyway, we hope you enjoyed seeing our swarm and seeing the way that we found it's best to keep them. I want to say thank you to everybody who likes and subscribes. Thank you to our military and our veterans. We really appreciate you, and thank you for everything you do to keep our country free. And pray for all the people in Ukraine. Other than that, we hope you enjoyed this video. And we'll see you soon with more videos.